Excellency President Vladimir Putin, Honorable Heads of States and Honorable Heads of Government, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate President Putin on hosting the 7th Brics Summit and the 15th SCO Summit. On behalf of my delegation and my own behalf, I express our profound gratitude for the excellent arrangements and warm hospitality extended to us in this beautiful city of Ufa. We are grateful to President Vladimir Putin and the government of the Russian Federation for bringing the SCO and Brics member countries together under one roof. This would go a long way in promoting an inclusive and synergetic approach to economic development. Pakistan values its interaction with Brics, which consists of important countries of our region and beyond. This interaction coincides with the consensus to make Pakistan a full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Pakistan has been collaborating with a number of SCO and Brics members to promote regional economic cooperation for the progress and prosperity of our people. With China, we are building the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as an important part of President Xi Jinping's visionary initiative of one road, one belt, and a community of shared destiny. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I have a vision of peace for development and development for peace for the region, in which regional connectivity and economic integration are the key components. Pakistan's economic growth has remained steady. We have unveiled Vision 2025 to provide a solid platform for the revival of sustainable and inclusive growth. Potential growth sectors such as infrastructure, power and natural resources are open to large-scale investments. Towards this end, Pakistan has been actively engaged at several regional forums, including SAARC and ECO. Pakistan will also be hosting summit meetings of both these important regional organizations in the future. We need to collectively focus on the progress and well-being of our people. In this regard, I propose the following approach. 1. Promote mutual understanding, cooperation and goodwill through cultural and academic interaction as well as people-to-people contact. 2. Promote confidence. Confidence building in peace and security is an essential element for shared prosperity. 3. Promote bilateral and regional trade and commerce. Coordinate to introduce cohesive laws, reduce tariff and non-tariff barriers, and ease the movement of people and merchandise across the borders. And 4, promote connectivity by investing in regional infrastructure, that is, investment in better transport networks, including roads, motorways, railways, and air and sea links. Pakistan's fight against terrorism, including the military operation, is not merely for the protection of Pakistan, but it is equally critical for the whole region as well as the international community. We have made huge sacrifices in terms of both human and economic losses, but all this has not weakened our resolve to fight extremism and uproot terrorism. We remain absolutely determined to take this campaign to its logical conclusion in order to achieve our objective of a peaceful and prosperous region. Let us therefore commit ourselves to working together to promote peace and development in our region and beyond in the true spirit of collaboration and cooperation. I thank you all.